A routine space mission reveals a shocking aftermath. The Russian Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft, carrying an international crew, triumphantly docked with the International Space Station, marking another successful collaboration in space exploration. But, in a surprising turn of events, the launch left a trail of destruction in its wake. On November 27, the Soyuz 2.1A rocket soared into the skies from the Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan, with a crew of 2 Russian cosmonauts and 1 NASA astronaut. The launch, initially deemed incident-free, was a display of technological prowess. However, a subsequent inspection unveiled a different story. The launch pad, a critical piece of infrastructure, suffered damage, raising concerns about the potential impact on future missions. Roscosmos assured the public that the damage was manageable and that repairs would be swift. They stated, all the necessary reserve elements are available to restore it. But this incident begs the question, how can we ensure the safety and longevity of launch sites, given the powerful forces involved in space launches? And what measures are in place to prevent such incidents from affecting future missions? The crew's safe arrival at the ISS and their good health are a testament to the mission's success. Yet, the launch pad's condition serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between technological advancement and infrastructure maintenance. Are these incidents an inevitable part of space exploration, or is there room for improvement in launch procedures? This story highlights the complexities of space missions and the challenges faced by space agencies worldwide. As we celebrate the achievements, it's crucial to address the less glamorous aspects of space travel, ensuring the sustainability of our cosmic endeavors.